so I kind of spaced out and forgot, but I'm building the stairs for the loft over here. Got this one all cut out. I gotta do this one now. So that's what I'm doing. I completely forgot to grab the camera earlier, but yeah, so on to the next step, staircase. all the pieces cut, and I got everything mounted up to the loft and everything. So I went through, I had these two on so these would stay square while I did the rest, but I realized when I had those mounted and I painted them that down in between here was going to be dumb to paint. So as I mounted or set all these on, they're just sitting here, but so as I did those, I went through and painted all the insides. So now, after I go through and mount them all, I'll let this paint dry, and then when I go through and mount them all, I'll go back through with the roller and just brush the tops and sides again, and yeah, that'll be it. Shouldn't take too long, so we'll see. Oh, there we go. Got the staircase all finished and painted up. Just bolted straight into the frame right there, and then 2x6 just for this side and that for support. Oh, and I did lights up there too. The lights that Dad came in clutch with for finishing the loft and stuff, so I figured we might as well use them, so I put them up there. This is still wet, but this is pretty much it, all finished up.
Shop. We're going to be doing the RC section. Got quite a few RC cars and remotes. Never really realized how many I had until I set them all out. Boats, drones, cars, lowriders, mud trucks, bashers, 6 scale, 10 scale, 18 scale, 24 scale, everything. Never really realized it. So, I'm gonna be doing a shelf over here. I'm gonna do one here and get all the cars tucked in over here, and then it'll go to this bar. So maybe something here for remotes or more cars or something, but I'll build this one and put cars on it, see how full it is, or if I need more, but see how it goes. So, just about to start that right now. Project without 300 trips to Home Depot. Well, it wouldn't be a typical day with me without 300 trips to Home Depot. Just a couple 2x4 short. I only planned on doing 3 shelves, but I did 4. Well, kinda. The top will just be like storage for like manuals, wheels, stuff like that. But now I just gotta figure out. Well, I'm not gonna figure it out, but I gotta go get some more 2x4s. So I'll be right back. Well, it'll be like a second for you, but like an hour for me.
Boat trip, and I spared you the footage of the repetitiveness of building the other side of mounts. But I also decided to bring it down to 3 shelves. I think that should be enough for my cars. I'm not positive. I can always rearrange or thin out a little bit. If I can't fit them all on this huge shelf, then I got a problem. So now I just gotta put it together. I cut the decks out and all that. Didn't figure there was much reason in recording all that stuff. It's not too exciting, but it's hot today. So yeah, I guess now I'll just start putting it together. So now the fun part of painting it so it matches everything else. But I won't bore you with the footage. I'll just paint it and then show you the finished product once it's up and stuff. So yeah, see you in a little bit. Painted and everything last night, but it was late. My camera was on the charger, so I just figured I'd pick up today. But yeah, I got it all moved into the place and wired up some lights and stuff, so I haven't turned it on yet. I cut some little blocks to keep each car suspended. Let's see. Perfect. So that'll work. I painted all my blocks, so once they dry, I'll set everything up over here and see how it's looking. But it goes on when this goes on, but each light has its own switch, so I can turn them off whenever I don't need them on. So that's pretty cool too. But yeah, there it is. So now I just gotta load it. fit all of them on there. Nicely too, actually. I could put them all straight and fit even more, but this works. I had some chains from some of these lights, the ones I used on the inside, and figured why not use the chains and just hang the boat. Figured that'd be pretty cool, so hung that up there. So yeah. Oh, and I had to get music going, so I put some speakers in the ceiling all the way across. Of course, I do a bunch of car audio, so I had a bunch of leftover speakers and stuff, so just got them all running right here off my phone. They go up to a little amp, but yeah, so the RC spot worked out. I think I might put this trailer on that trailer and then just move those boxes under there. So, yep, there it is.